they asked to find the value of theta, that means this angle, this angle size you need to find. Okay, now this is actually simple question. Now here they tell no, this arc length has 6.4 centimeter and radius also they given. So for a moment think like this. Now if you have this angle size, get to this arc length, what the way you do it, like this, no, like this, what the arc length, right? Arc length equal what the theta over 360, right, into 2 pi r, right? That's the formula, no, you use to find this arc length, right? The thing is here they give the arc length, this arc length they given, right? So now this is like a formula, right, in a equation, in a formula like this way. If you know, right, all the terms value except one, so you can apply those values and then you can get the unknown term value. Like here theta, except theta we know other all thing here. Even arc length we know, no, they given, no, so arc length you can replace with 6.4, right? Here they given the arc length, so 6.4 equal theta over 360 into 2 5, we can use the calculator value. R mean here 8 centimeters, so 8. Okay, now we need to get theta. How to get it, right? If you apply cross multiplication here, right, you can think has here 1, no, so 360 into this, so 6.4 into 360, right, equal to 5 theta, right here, sorry, theta into 2 5 r 8, right? So here you can we need to make value of the theta, no, we need to get value of theta, so divide both side by 2 5 8, that means here you can, someone can think has 16 5, right, like this, and this side also divide by 2 into 5 into 8, like this, and then you can get theta value, right? Here like when you have like 2x, to find x, what we do, both side divide by 2, same way here, theta into 2 5 8, this all this three terms, this all three multiplication, no? So connection is multiplication here, so that's why you can divide by this all three, this side and this side. So here your answer will be I got 45.8366, like that. I can give it to because they asked to give it to 2 decimal place, so here your theta angle will be here 45.8, this is 6, no, so greater than 5 you should add 1 here, so 84 degrees. So this is the answer for that theta angle, value of the